Flipgrid, presented by me, Rosario Osuna. I am the librarian for Gruya Middle School, and I'm here to present to you on how to access Flipgrid and how to record using Flipgrid. Well, you're wondering, what is Flipgrid? Well, Flipgrid is 100% free for all educators, learners, and families. It engages and empowers every voice in your classroom or at home by recording and sharing short, awesome videos together. So this helps empower everyone's voice. So basically, when you record a video, if you don't want to share the view of your face, you can always put an emoji, but your voice will be heard. Just like you hear my voice right now on this screencast, but you are not viewing my face. So something similar to it. But let me show you. Right, first of all, this is how the app looks on your phone. I chose an image of the phone because I know that a lot of you are accessing Google Classroom through your phones. Well, it looks something like this. And this is the name, Flipgrid. On my phone, when I opened it, it already says open because I already have it downloaded on my phone. But if you don't have it, it's going to say get. And then this will be the icon on your phone or on your iPad or whatever electronic device you'll be using. Now, once it's downloaded to your iPad, your phone, your laptop, this is the icon, Flipgrid. And then you'll have to click on it to begin your recording. Once you click on that plus sign, it will bring you to this right here. It says, welcome to Flipgrid. It's going to say, I am student, educator, guest. Guests are family members, school admins, experts, or anyone else joining the party. But for this one, since it's for the students and educators, if you're a student, you will click on student. If you're an educator, you will click on educator. But this is for you guys, my students. So you will be clicking student. And after that, it will take you to this screen. And it's going to say cheese. It says Flipgrid requires access to your microphone and camera. You're going to hit allow microphone and then allow camera. And after you hit that, or you click on allow microphone and allow camera, one at a time, you will get this. It says Flipgrid would like to access the camera. Flipgrid is all about sharing your voice. In order to record video responses and replies to topics, we need access to your camera. So you're going to hit OK. And then after you click to allow for the microphone, Flipgrid would like to access the microphone. Flipgrid is all about sharing your voice. In order to record video responses and replies to topics, we need access to your microphone. So you need to hit OK. Flipgrid, it's a save 2.0 web tool, so you will be okay by allowing it to access your camera and your microphone. After you do that, you're gonna get to this screen, and it's gonna say join a grid. Enter a flip code or scan a QR code. Ask your grid owner for a code if needed. In this case, the librarian, I'm the grid owner because I'm doing this to celebrate Libraries Week or Librarian National Week. And this is the real code that you'll be needing to participate in order to see if you to enter the $20 e-card competition. Okay, this is the code. I will get all this information on the Google Classroom message that I'll be posting, but this is a real code. Once you put it in, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go, yeah, you hit go and it's gonna take you to this grid right now. This is my logo, GMS Library, my favorite book, because that's what this one is about. You're gonna have to record yourself saying your full name, your homeroom teacher name, and what is your favorite book and the name of the author. Okay, if you forgot the author, you can Google it, and I'm pretty sure you'll find it that way. Once you get to this screen, you're going to log in with your Google account. Your Google account is like your Gmail, your school account. And you can put there, remember me, in case some other teachers do decide to use Flipgrid in their classes, you already have it. And then once you click login with Google, it'll take you to this screen over here. Sign in. Here is where you're going to type in your school email, the one that was provided to you, in order to join Google Classroom. And after you type it in, you hit next. After that, it's gonna welcome you. As you can see right here, I went ahead and scratched out my son's name because I use his account in order to have all these screenshots from a student view, because mine was a little bit different. So after it welcomes you, you're gonna enter your password, and this is your password to your school email, and that's gonna be your password for here as well. All right, it says here to continue, Google will share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with Flipgrid. Before using this app, you can review Flipgrid's privacy policy and terms of service. But like I tell you, I'm not going to share your pictures, anything. It's just what you post on the video, and you're gonna see in a minute what I'm talking about. After you put in your password, you're gonna click next, and then it'll take you to this site. Again, you'll see GMS Library, my favorite book, and you are ready. Although here it says hello because it gives it in different languages, I don't want you to click on it because it will ask you to say hello and all that, but just skip that part and you're gonna go to the bottom. And that's where my question is. My question is my favorite book. That means you're going to record yourself saying, my name is Rosario Osuna. My homeroom teacher is Rosario Osuna. My favorite book is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. And that's it. Okay. When you're ready to record, you're going to hit this this plus sign with the green circle. And then once you click it, it'll take you here. See, this is the first screen you're going to get. And behind this emoji is my face because it automatically takes you to the camera. But I don't want to show my face. So right away, this is what I did. I clicked right here. You see the emoji? And I chose a face. And this is the face that I chose. And then I pinched it because it was on my phone. I pinched it and I made it larger to cover all my face. Okay, let's say you don't want this emoji. You can hit clear and you can start all over again. Okay, and then if you see up here, a minute 30, that is the amount that I'm giving every participant to say, my name is so-and-so, my homeroom teacher is so-and-so, my favorite book is so-and-so by so-and-so author. And that takes about not even 30 seconds, so it's fine. And then, even if you don't use up the whole minute and 30 seconds, that's okay. You just stop the video. All right. And then when you're ready to record, after you chose your emoji, because sometimes you can do it at the end also, but I like to do it at the beginning, that way I don't forget. And then you click here, the record. But click and let it go? No, you have to click it. Stay on it until you finish talking. Once you finish talking, that means that you finish your recording, so you let go this button right here. And then to check, do you see here? You're gonna see this. You see like all my little faces here, my emojis? That's my voice getting recorded into the video. And then you can hit play and hear it. If you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, then this screen will pop up. Once you're like, okay, I think I sound okay, you can hit the arrow right here and it will take you here. And then it will tell you restart video or restart video in clear screen. Restart video means you want to keep the emoji, you just want to record your voice again. But if you hit restart video in clear screen, that means you're going to choose another emoji and record yourself again. Or if you're happy with what you heard and you want the emoji, just hit cancel and then we go to the next screen. Then over here, see, it's starting again. You're listening to it, you like it, you're like, you know what, I'm ready. You hit next, and then you come over here, okay? And then it gives you the voice is already recorded here, and this is still the same emoji. And then this is the camera, because it's going to ask you, take a selfie. And then you can take the selfie, and then you can choose another emoji. But I chose the same one, okay? And then I still chose the same emoji. So then after that, that way I know that it's you. You can use the paintbrush and you can write over it. And you can write your name, or you can draw a heart. You can draw anything that you want. And please, let's keep it educational. Uh, no bad pictures, no bad language that we're not supposed to be using. None of that, guys, because I will delete your recording from the grid. All right. After you use paint right here, okay, you click next right here, and it will take you here. See, I used the paintbrush and I wrote Mrs. R. Osuna on top of mine. All right, I'm ready to share it, return it, because this is you're sharing it with me on my Flipgrid. And then you click the arrow and it takes you here. And it's showing you how I'm going to see it, and everybody else will see it. Because once you submit, you'll be able to see or hear and see the other responses. So, and here it said Osuna A, which is for my son's name, but I changed it and I put R Osuna, but I logged in using his email. And just so you know, once you get to this screen, you do not need to put anything here. It says add a title, attach a link, leave it blank. I repeat, just your name and leave this blank, please. And then you submit the video, and that's it. Then you'll come to this screen. It says congrats, so give your name on your video. Your video is on the grid, and that's it. You're done, and you can return to the grid. If you want to share the video, you can. You can hit share video, and you can share it to yourself on your phone through a text, and you'll have it there. Or you can share it with your parents and text it to them, and it texts a link to it, and you're able to see it. Okay? I think I took off the option to download video, but the share the video is on. And that's it. After you are done, I'm the one that sees it on my side. So I hope that you understood my steps. I know it's a few slides, but I guarantee you it's easier than what it looks. I hope to hear all your favorite books along with your favorite author. And don't forget, you must say your name, full name, homeroom teacher, and your favorite book by the author, the book that you're reading. And this is how you work Flipgrid. And this one pertains only to this question that I posted. But basically, any question that a teacher posts, this is the way Flipgrid will work. Thank you so much. Rosario Osuna. If you need further instructions, send me a text. You can reach me through the Google Classroom or my email.